afternoon to everyone. We feel honored and are delighted to have Mr. Jayesh Sangrajka amongst us.
Thanks, Shripal, and thanks, Aishwarya, for the awesome introduction. Good evening, everybody. I hope you are all doing well and are safe during these trying times. If you look at again Wikipedia, 5000 BC, they relied on clay tokens, and of course, we can argue whether this was accounting or this was counting, but the truth remains that this is where the foundation for accounting got created. 2000 was a time of, again, Sarbanes-Oxley's Act was an act technology. Of course, is the first and foremost change that has changed the way this profession is evolved. And I'll talk about each of them in subsequent slides. But overall, what does this mean to us? Globalization. This is the third factor, and as the flat world is becoming flatter, and the world is becoming a global village.
What would be the opportunities for finance profession from Western countries? How can disrupt the career to acquire the new skills and experience?
You should change profile. Your change of profile, as I explained earlier, should be in line with what is your end goal, right? And that end goal can be different for different people. Somebody wants to do specialization in a particular role, and then you shouldn't keep changing profile. You should stick into that profile and continue sharpening your skills. Whatever that profile that you have looked at. For instance, if you're looking at tax as a specialization or treasury as a specialization.
We can understand that technology is now linked with finance and it's bringing a lot of disruptions in finance world. How does this affect BPO industries?
So again, it impacts BPO industry significantly because there is a lot of repetitive work, if I may, or a lot of repetitive processes, and I think BPO industry has also evolved significantly over the last one decade at least, if I may. Every year there's enough and more of productivity improvement that happens in BPO industry consistently. But at the same time, there are new processes that gets offshore to BPO industry, new opportunities that keep coming in.
What are the key challenges as per you been faced by current finance leaders across IT sector in the world?
If you look at the smaller companies or the new age companies that have grown in last 5 or 10 years, many of them in India also have grown or have come up on the back of technology, right? So whether you look at Ola, whether you look at Flipkart, Snapdeal.